Yeah, this is the life.
What's up guys? It's me again, Almar Yudapo. What's up mga ungo? Mata pa ba ang tanan? For today's video, magluluto po tayo ng seafoods, baked seafoods in the version of Mrs. Okay, let's go guys.
Sana all.
So, ano guys, humana na siya, ready for ready for preparing for the preparation of the preparing. What? Lalagay na ito ni Mrs. dito. Lagyan na ng cheese. Yung grated cheese, tsaka sukal. Sukal. Ito na yung grated cheese, tsaka asin at saka paminta. So, ayan. Ano to guys, bake seafoods. Gusto na isipan lang. So guys, nilinya-linya na ni Mrs. So yan, lagyan ng cheese. Ha? Oh my God! Wow! May extra pa daw na guys, seasoning. Ano yan, kanang garlic o kanang ginger and with seasoning. Yung Knorr na seasonings. Ayan. Kayo nang bahala kung anong ilalagay nyo. Basta yung kay Mrs. ito yung sa kanya. Nilalagay niya. Tapos, ito, pagkatapos nyan, ready for yan, sasalang na natin. Ayan. Tapos, pwede o i-both na lang. Kani. Kaya dia. Set na to dire. Tapos set na to 30 minutes. 20 minutes sa. So ayan, 20 minutes. Okay. So ayan na guys. Yan na yung baked shrimp. Yan. Shrimp at saka mussels.